Everybody, Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of this 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser. This is in the Midnight Matte color. It is a tri-tune saltwater edition. At the stern of this boat, we've got this new redesigned ladder. Ease of access in and out of the boat, and pushing it, we got this nice 150 Mercury motor. Check out the inside of the boat. Guys, here we are on the stern of this Cruiser 230. You've got this nice L-shaped seating right here with a beautiful lounge seat facing the back of the boat. You've got your fender holders on each side, your ski tow bar, and of course you've got your cup holders and your USB chargers. Moving up a little bit, you've got this huge bimini up top, plenty of sun coverage. You've got storage underneath in the back as well as underneath all the seats. More cup holders. And you've got your trash can compartment right here. Super handy. You got this big nice helm seat right here so the captain can be nice and comfy. You've got a Simrad MFD Clarion audio head unit. Nice speakers throughout this boat. You've got your switches, your binnacle, and a nice comfy steering wheel. You've got your accessibility for your changing room or anything you wanted to put in here. And nice bench seat up at the front. Fit the whole family. More cup holders, more chargers, tons of bells and whistles. Just a sweet boat. That's going to do it for this walkthrough on this 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser. If you have any questions about this boat or you want to check it out in person, come and see us at MarineMax Coco, or you can give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you guys. See you next time.